Hi, Janeta Getchev with One Stop Life Insurance. We continue our mini-series in answering questions when it comes to life insurance with living benefits. Today's topic is going to be things to consider when looking into life insurance with living benefits. Now, while this is not a common question we've received, we felt it's important to touch on a couple of things that we want you to pay attention when you're selecting the policy with living benefits for you and your family. First thing is we want you to be aware of living benefits do not cover any pre-existing condition. In other words, in order for you to be able to accelerate your death benefit under living benefits, accelerated benefit riders, you need to be diagnosed with that condition after the policy went into force. You cannot have that condition beforehand and file afterwards. No, it does not cover pre-existing condition. The second thing that we want you to be aware of is that a lot of companies use something called actuarial discount when they are assessing the benefit that you could receive, the offer that they make to you. An actuarial discount simply means how would they discount the benefit in their offer based on your life expectancy. Which brings us to our third point. We want you to keep in mind, or we want you to take away that life insurance are for the big, critical, chronic terminal illnesses, the things that could really financially devastate you and your family. In other words, if you are diagnosed with a heart attack, for example, but you are able to survive, you didn't miss a lot of time from work or any time of work, you are able to go back to work, quite frankly, filing for an acceleration under the living benefits option under your life insurance would not result in a great offer due to that actuarial discount we mentioned in point 2, simply because that heart attack, while eligible condition, it didn't really affect your life expectancy. It would be a completely different scenario if it did, if it affected your quality of life. So we want you to keep that in mind, living benefits for the big things. Third point or fourth would be not every life insurance company offers the same living benefits. Some companies have a lot of restrictions as to conditions, amount of coverage eligible to be accelerated, how long you need to have the policy in force, different things like that. And one thing we want you to be particularly mindful of is we've heard from a lot of our clients, they were told that they do have living benefits on their policy, and yes, that could be true, but they only have one of the 3 eligible riders. They only had terminal illness. Essentially, if they're diagnosed with invasive cancer, if they suffered heart attack or stroke, or they have a chronic illness, they could not have filed to accelerate their death benefit. We hope you find this helpful. If you have any questions or would like us to take a look at your personal situation, simply reach out to us. Our contact information would be below. Hope you have a great rest of your day.